YouTube. I'm in Woodland, California, coming to you live, and I just witnessed a really cool piece of Southern Pacific history. In case you don't recognize it, the Southern Pacific 10, which is a rail diesel car, or RDC. And this is going to be a short one, guys. Hello everybody. Not going to be on long because I need the battery to stay good in my camera, and I'm remote today in Woodland, California, sitting in front of the SP number 10. That's the Southern Pacific RDC that many of you know Rapido has made a really neat model of. And this is what I wanted to show you. This was covered up when we got here, and it is now exposed. This little logo here on the RDC has not seen the light of day, I'm told, since 1972. So 46 years later, I'm sitting here in front of it when that was exposed for the first time in a long time. And I just thought that was too cool not to come on here and show you guys. So just real quickly, I'm going to get up and carefully walk over to the other end here and show you this. It's pretty cool. You can get a whole picture of the whole RDC. And I apologize, I see that people are commenting, but I can't read any of it because it's too bright out here. But this is it. That's what I'm doing today, and I'm making a video about this too. So this is something that will be coming to the channel sometime in the near future. But this is what I'm doing today, and like I said, I thought it was too cool not to share. I'll talk a little bit more about this experience on the podcast next week. So I will see you then. In the meantime, hit the bell or ring the bell and go on to the channel today, and don't forget to watch Model Railroading 101. I'll talk at you later. I got to figure out how to turn this thing off. I might need my glasses for that. Interesting. I am not seeing how to turn it off. Oh, there's a little X here. I guess I should have figured that out before I went live, huh? Bye.